All right, today, join us in Superman Kev's 2001 garage, where we are working on this Harley Davidson.
Where are you, Wayne?
I'm down here. Down here, Kev.
Where are you?
Hi.
We are Superman Kev Garage, and look at who joined me here today. I got Jarvis Biker, and I got Harley Diners Rides, Dave and Wayne, and they're all here and they're helping me out with my bike.
Notice we have the dirty hands.
Hey, somebody's got to film.
Somebody's got to.
Hey, Superman Kev 2001. So today I'm out in the shop and I've got a little bit of a problem. Everybody likes your bike to be loud, but mine's way too loud. And I took a look underneath. Apparently, I got a hole in my exhaust. I wish I could tell you after I did this first repair that everything was fixed and it worked perfectly fine. But if you're a YouTube certified mechanic, as am I, of course, things don't always go the way you planned. This particular time, I tried using a kind of a putty that I could put together, and you put it on the hole, and it's supposed to repair it. Well, word to the wise, it didn't quite work. It covered up the hole nice, and it worked for probably about 2 weeks, and then it blew it right off. So, brings me back to the house, back to the bike. And Harley Davidson wanted $300 to fix it, but I have friends.
You think Kev will give us a refill?
Yeah. And I gotta say, having friends that know what the heck they're doing and can help you out is priceless. Both Dave and Wayne came and they gave me a hand. We went out for breakfast, and then we proceeded to try and take all of the parts off of the bike so that we could get it repaired. It was a little more involved than I would imagine that it would be. Wayne's really good at this kind of thing, and he managed to very methodically get all of the parts that we needed loosened. We managed to get the pipe off. We managed to get the exhaust pipe off and got the piece out and ready to be welded. I was just thoroughly amazed at how quickly he was able to get the thing off. Even though I didn't have all the right tools, he managed to use what I had to make it work. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate these two guys coming and giving me a hand getting this bike apart and letting me do the filming. Hey, what's better than that? Yeah, it's coming. The part was off. We had to heat it up to get the muffler off so that we could get the part that needed to be welded taken apart. We were taking a good look at it and trying to figure out exactly what the heck happened to this thing and how it got a hole in it in the first place.
Oh, that's just sticky.
I got steel wool.
We'll get that polished up if it works.
Yeah, you should.
Okay, so what I was saying, Cap, is that bracket goes in like that.
Yeah.
The spacer goes in between here.
Okay.
And the nut and the washers go on the bottom. Bolt goes from the top down. Spacer in between these tabs. So it won't over crimp it like it did.
Like it did. Now, I'd like to know how I got that big
Yeah, we're gonna look at it right now. That will come off.
Oh, okay. That's the spacer. The spacer is like a rubber thing, kind of metal thing.
Did it have a half moon spacer washer on the other one?
No,
It just had this flap
the one on the, that's the one on the,
crossover. Or this is the one on the pipe, on the slip-on.
we just took it off of here.
Yeah,
So it's there for the muffler.
right.
Yeah, that's the muffler
It's go-
clamp.
it's
This
gonna
is-
be-
This
it's gonna
is
be
the
down
bracket.
here.
This is the bracket.
So what the hell went through there?
It's like big piece of flat tire that you almost look at like the force for that to go through there like that. What the hell would do that?
I almost wonder if it didn't get put
And
on.
this is on the bottom, right?
You almost wonder
this-
if it got put on a lift or something to push through. And
Because
the way
look
that-
how square it is.
Yeah, it's like a piece of flat tire of some type or like a big pry bar or something. But it's like that's hard. That's hard metal. That's not.
we got the
nothing
part out, we
chintzy.
could see the hole
No.
in it.
I mean that's.
Wayne said that he would do his best to get it welded for me. Well, here's the welding job. It got all welded up, and we got it back, and then it was just a matter of putting it back on the bike the following weekend. Wow, I can't even tell you how appreciative I am
There's
of
the
all of
repair.
this help. All that was left now was to put all the nice shiny bits back on and put the muffler back together, and it would be fixed. Holy moly! Once I was able to get the saddlebag on, the only thing we had left to do was to fire this bad boy up and see how she sounded. Can anyone explain to me why, when you try to put a saddlebag on when somebody's watching, it never lines up right and you can't get it to go in, and you fight and you fight and you fight and you fight and you look like a moron? I don't know, just asking. Man, does that sound nice. No more pa of air going through or exhaust going through that hole at the bottom of the pipe. Thank you so much, guys. What a great day. Don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. Check out some of these other cool videos on my channel.